Here is how to edit a story on Instagram. Now, you can't edit the story exactly. You can add mentions and you can edit like an AI label, but you can't edit the post once it is already posted. So instead, what you are going to have to do is you are going to have to go to more, those three little dots in the bottom corner, and delete your story. It will automatically be archived. That way you can go back into your archives and repost the story and edit it however you like, but you do have to delete it. So you'll click those three dots, you'll click on delete story. You can see it'll now be in your archives. That way you can go back into your archives, edit, and repost it.